Hey guys, it's Warren here, and here is how to make a white sauce with tasty veg that goes perfect with pasta. And what's more, this is super easy to make.
And firstly, we'll prepare the vegetables. Start by slicing 200 grams of mushrooms, half a broccoli, 1 red pepper and 4 rashers of bacon. Then take a large saucepan and place over a medium to high heat on the stove. Heat some oil up, then fry the vegetables and bacon for between 5 and 10 minutes until the juices from the mushrooms have just about evaporated off. Then, after the frying time, remove the vegetables and bacon from the heat and set aside in a bowl. Now return your saucepan to the stove over a low heat. Add 25 grams of butter and 25 grams of plain flour. Use a wooden spoon to stir the two ingredients together to make a roux whilst remaining over a low heat. Now pour in 300 milliliters of milk and 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. And now you need to continuously stir your white sauce, remaining over a low heat for between 10 and 15 minutes until the sauce has thickened up nicely. And meanwhile, cook 150 grams of penne pasta according to the instructions on the packet. Now, once you're happy with the thickness of your white sauce, season with some salt and generously with some pepper. Then add 25 grams of Parmesan cheese and mix into the sauce. Now take your vegetables and bacon you set aside earlier and pour it into the white sauce along with your cooked pasta drained from its water. And now simply give everything a stir to make sure the pasta, vegetables and bacon are evenly coated in the sauce. And finally serve up garnished with some freshly chopped parsley, and there you have it. That's how easy it is to make this delicious white sauce pasta dish.
Now, if you loved the look of this pasta recipe, remember to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you again on Thursday for my next video. Remember to subscribe to be one of the first to see it.